Welcome to Ministry of Hacking. Like and subscribe if you are new here. Before we dive into the exciting world of hacking tools, we need to talk about something crucial: ethics. Hacking, when done right, is about making things safer, not causing harm. Think of it like a lockpicker who helps people improve their home security. Just like you wouldn't use lockpicking tools to break into someone's house, you can't use hacking tools to mess with systems or data that doesn't belong to you. That's illegal and plain wrong. Always get permission before testing your skills. Remember, real hackers are problem solvers, not criminals. They use their knowledge to find and fix vulnerabilities, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. So, as we explore these powerful tools, let's do it with the right intentions and a commitment to ethical hacking. Just like a carpenter needs their hammer and saw, hackers rely on specialized software tools to do their work effectively. These tools are designed to probe, analyze, and sometimes even manipulate computer systems and networks. Imagine trying to find a single loose brick in a giant wall with your bare hands. That's what it's like trying to find vulnerabilities in complex systems without the right tools. Hacking tools automate tasks, provide insights into hidden system data, and help hackers understand how systems work. They're essential for everything from basic network scanning to advanced penetration testing. In this ever-evolving digital landscape, staying updated with the latest hacking tools is crucial for any cybersecurity enthusiast. They're not just for bad guys. Ethical hackers and security professionals use them to stay one step ahead and protect our digital world. Termux has become a favorite among ethical hackers, and for good reason. It's like having a powerful Linux hacking environment right on your Android device. No need for bulky laptops or complicated setups. Termux lets you practice your skills and experiment with tools anywhere, anytime. And the best part? Termux is constantly evolving. New tools are being added all the time, making it even more versatile and powerful. In 2024, Termux is packed with incredible tools that can help you understand network security, practice penetration testing, and learn the ins and outs of ethical hacking. Let's dive into some of the must-have additions that are making waves in the cybersecurity community. Imagine you're a detective entering a crime scene. The first thing you do is observe and gather information. That's what network reconnaissance, or NetRecon, is all about in the hacking world. NetRecon tools help you map out a target network, identifying connected devices, open ports, and potential vulnerabilities. It's like having X-ray vision into a network structure. One of the standout NetRecon tools available in Termux is Nmap. It's a powerful network scanner that can quickly identify hosts, services, and even operating systems running on a network. Another essential tool is Fierce, which excels at DNS reconnaissance. It helps uncover hidden subdomains and potential targets within a domain, giving you a more comprehensive view of the network's attack surface. By using NetRecon tools effectively, you can gain valuable insights into a target network security posture, paving the way for further analysis and testing. Remember, this knowledge is power, but it must be used responsibly and ethically. Section 5. Vulnerability Assessment. Finding weaknesses with Vulnx. Once you've mapped out a network, it's time to find its weaknesses. Vulnerability assessment tools are your go-to for this crucial step. These tools scan systems and applications for known vulnerabilities, like finding a weak spot in a fortress wall. A new player in Termux's arsenal is Vulnx. This tool is designed to make vulnerability scanning accessible and effective. It combines a database of known vulnerabilities with intelligent scanning techniques to help you uncover potential security flaws. Vulnx generates detailed reports, highlighting the severity of each vulnerability and providing remediation advice. It's like having a personal security consultant pointing out the weak links in your armor. By using vulnerability assessment tools responsibly, you can help identify and fix security holes before attackers can exploit them, making systems more resilient and secure. Section 6. Exploitation made easy. Introducing AutoPwn. Now let's talk about exploitation. This is where things get a bit more advanced, but it's also where the real learning happens. Exploitation tools are used to take advantage of identified vulnerabilities, simulating real-world attacks to test security defenses. A new and exciting tool making its debut in Termux is AutoPwn. This tool aims to simplify the exploitation process, making it more accessible to those new to this aspect of ethical hacking. AutoPwn automates the process of selecting and executing exploits based on the identified vulnerabilities. It's like having a skilled hacker by your side, guiding you through the exploitation process. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Exploitation tools should only be used on systems you have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized use can have serious consequences. Remember, ethical hacking is about learning and improving security, not causing harm. Section 7. Social Engineering Toolkit, the art of deception with SET. Hacking isn't always about exploiting technical vulnerabilities. Sometimes the weakest link is the human element. Social engineering, the art of manipulating people into revealing sensitive information, is a powerful tool in a hacker's arsenal. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, has been a staple in the ethical hacking world, and it's now readily available in Termux. SET allows you to create convincing phishing attacks, fake websites, and other social engineering scenarios to test and improve security awareness. With SET, you can craft realistic phishing emails, create fake login pages that mimic legitimate websites, and even deploy USB drive-based attacks. It's a versatile tool for understanding the psychological aspects of security and learning how to defend against these types of attacks. Always remember, use SET responsibly and ethically. Obtain proper authorization before conducting any social engineering engagements. Section 8. Post-exploitation framework. Maintaining access with Metasploit. Imagine successfully exploiting a vulnerability. Now what? This is where post-exploitation comes in. It's about maintaining access, gathering information, and potentially pivoting to other systems within the network. The Metasploit framework is a legend in the hacking world, and it's now more accessible than ever through Termux. Metasploit provides a vast library of exploits, payloads, and tools for post-exploitation activities. With Metasploit, you can establish persistent backdoors, escalate privileges, and move laterally within a compromised network. It's a powerful tool for understanding how attackers maintain access and the techniques they use to achieve their objectives. As always, responsible use is paramount. Only use Metasploit on systems you have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized access and control of computer systems are illegal and unethical. Section 9. Covering your tracks. The importance of anonymity tools. In the world of ethical hacking, anonymity is often crucial, especially when conducting penetration testing or security assessments. You don't want your activities to be easily traceable, as this could compromise your operations or even lead to legal issues. Termux offers a range of tools designed to enhance your anonymity and protect your privacy while you're exploring the depths of cyberspace. One such tool is Tor. It's like a network of secret tunnels that hide your internet traffic, making it extremely difficult to trace your online activity back to you. Another handy tool is Proxychains. It allows you to route your internet traffic through a chain of proxy servers, adding an extra layer of obfuscation and making it even harder to track your digital footprint. Remember, while anonymity tools can be valuable for ethical hacking and privacy protection, they should never be used for illegal activities. Using them for malicious purposes is unethical and can have severe consequences. Section 10. The power and the peril responsible hacking in a connected world. As we've seen, Termux in 2024 offers an impressive array of hacking tools, putting immense power in the hands of anyone with an Android device. This power can be used for good, to learn, to protect, to make the digital world a safer place. But like any tool, it can be misused. It's crucial to remember that ethical hacking is about responsibility. It's about using your knowledge to find and fix vulnerabilities, not to exploit them for personal gain or to cause harm. The line between ethical and unethical hacking is crystal clear. Always obtain explicit permission before testing any system or network. Respect the privacy of others and never access or disclose information without authorization. Remember, true hackers are driven by curiosity, a thirst for knowledge, and a desire to improve things. Let's use these powerful tools responsibly and ethically to make the digital world a safer place for everyone. Section 11. Stay informed, stay ethical. Join the Ministry of Hacking. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and new tools are developed to combat them. Staying ahead of the curve requires constant learning and a commitment to ethical hacking principles. That's where the Ministry of Hacking comes in. We're a community of like-minded individuals passionate about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and making the digital world a safer place. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest hacking tools, techniques, and news. Let's work together to explore the fascinating world of hacking responsibly and ethically.